Okay, wanted to kind of demonstrate something I made. It was kind of neat. This is a folding jackknife pick set out of an old knife that I had. This is just a standard pick, and this is a half diamond, which pretty much is all I use when picking locks. The tension tool fits in the back piece of windshield wiper stock, and I've bent it so it would fit down into the little place right here. And I'm going to demonstrate how this works. Works pretty well in a pinch. I'm going to put the tension tool in the lock in the keyway, and then I'm just going to take the half dime and I'm just going to rake. Actually, some pretty good feel to this. With this, actually did probably a little, got at least 2 pins set there just by raking. Probably could have done the rake a little bit higher and gotten better results. The diamond, I mean, probably do need to get another knife, so probably will do a rake. I'm gonna try the bent on me just a little bit too rough. Doesn't need actually that much pressure when even raking, so we'll try it a little bit gentle. One finger on the bottom there usually is enough that it won't bend, and but if it's what you got in your pocket at the time, you know, you just make do. Just generally, there we go. So it opened it. So anyway, that's my portable jackknife pick. Again, I just fit the in the bottom of the knife. I cut out the scissors. I totally ground them away. And what I can do is just kind of put these in the hole here and slide it down, and you don't even know what's in your pocket. So that's my jackknife picks, homemade, cheap. Keep it legal.